So I had to make another video, sadly, because I was recording through YouTube itself. But here we go, changing my original downpipe because it's cracked from the flange and the flex pipe.
Like this.
It is.
All right.
Yeah. But yeah. So my bro man got the car jacked up. We already got the old bolts disconnected and everything. So
let me see somebody's phone right
now. We're trying to swap out the old one with this new one that's right here. And then we're gonna see how it starts up. So I'm gonna go ahead, disconnect the battery and the intake. The bolts to the downpipe and the turbo itself are already slowly disconnected. So we're just gonna see what happens now. Alright, so we got one of the bolts that we took off, but we had to come back and put it back on because we didn't have a tool to take off the seized clamp that was on the backside of the exhaust. So now I took that off. Next, we're gonna take apart. We're gonna disconnect the O2 sensors, the top O2 sensor, and get started. Hold that. You said to push in and then. This shit is. Huh?
You can pass if you want.
Oh. I have. Oh, he took it off. Oh shit. There we go. Took it off. So what you want to do? This little piece right here. Sorry for I was struggling. This little piece right here. What you want to do is you want to hold it out. While holding it out, push in and then pull. And then you take apart the top O2 sensor. So my man's, he took off the old downpipe that was on it, and this is the part that was broken, like I said, and there was a whole bunch of exhaust fumes in it. So we took that off, and one of these clamps on the back side was broken. Well, it's my fault for showing you the box. That's not in it. But one of these that was on the back,
bro, with the socket. If without the socket, I'll just put it in here.
Yeah. So now he took off the top part, the rear O2 sensor. Now we gotta take off the top one. Yeah, the top portion, and then we should be good to go to take out the two bottom bolts for, you know, for the bolts that sit on the turbo and the top of the downpipe. So we're about to do that in like the next couple minutes. Well, for you guys, it's gonna be 30 seconds.